I'm going to show you how to send a proposal to a customer so you can get them to accept. Here are my client list. I'm going to go ahead and go with Charlie. It looks like I already have a proposal to Charlie, but I'm going to send him another proposal. I'm going to send a proposal for some carpet cleaning. Charlie's a great customer, so I'm going to give him a little discount. I've probably already talked to Charlie. He knows we're going to do it. I'm going to send him this proposal. Great. Charlie's got an email and a link there, and he can now accept this if he'd like. For Charlie to accept the proposal, he can view it either from the email you sent or by looking into his client hub. You can copy the URL here in order to get it. Here's Charlie's client hub. He can see the proposals that I've sent before. If I had any invoices owed, he would see those. It doesn't have everything that they've ever done for security reasons, but it has some high-level recent stuff to make it really easy for them to do things. So here I've got my pending proposal, and I can accept it. If Charlie wanted to schedule it now, you could do on my side here, back in my pro account, I can now see proposals, and I can see this accept a proposal by Charlie. I can go to this carpet cleaning, and I can go to schedule that job. I can add it here to his address, hit next. I could pick the time. It's going to pick a time automatically for me that works on my schedule. Let's just say we can do it right now. And it's this one-time form of carpet cleaning service. I'd already agreed to this $180 price, so that's specified there. However, I could change it if that changed. And next, let's add this job. That's great. We scheduled the job. It's in the future. It's ready to go and get paid for this. So here we sent this proposal. We got it to the customer. They accepted the proposal and we got them scheduled and on the books so we could get paid faster. That's what proposals are for, to help your business.